friends, welcome to Happie at Home. If you're new here, I'm Angie Happie Lou, and today I'm going to show you a life-changing foam rolling routine that you can do in just 5 minutes a day to alleviate some of the most common aches and pains that we experience, especially if you're over 35. I'm going to show you how to safely and effectively execute these exercises using some of the principles of Pilates, so let's get to it. So this first exercise is for tight shoulders. We're going to be rolling out your upper back. You're going to lie down perpendicular to the roller and place it right in between the shoulder blades. Your pelvis is going to be tucked, your legs are going to be open about the width of your shoulders, and place your hands behind your neck right at the base, one hand on top of the other. Good. Make sure your pelvis is tucked here as you roll up and down right in between the shoulder blades. Your stomach is in and engaged the entire time. Glutes are squeezing, and as you walk up, you want to continue to support your neck, and then when you roll down, you want to walk your feet forward and lift your pelvis up even further. And this is going to create a little bit of an incline. Your hips are going to be lifted, your head is going to be back, but it's still supported. Rolling back and forth, pelvis tucked, stomach in. Keep going. All right, this next exercise is for a tight lower back. We're going to be stretching out your hip flexors one by one. You're going to continue to lie on the foam roller perpendicular to it, but this time it's going to be placed right underneath the small of your back. You're going to bring your right knee into your chest, your left leg is going to be extended. Try and point those toes, creating energy out through the toes, keeping the stomach in and squeezing the glutes. Good, pulling the knee in. You're going to soften the leg that's straight. Soften that knee and you're going to feel a huge stretch in the hip flexor and then switch. Good, try and keep that knee in line with your shoulder and your other leg in line with your hip. Good, pull, 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 stomach in. You can even soften the knee even more, lift it, pull it, sucking in, squeezing, and stretch. Okay, this next exercise helps tremendously for lateral knee pain due to a tight IT band. We're going to be rolling out your gluteus medius. That's just going to be the center part of your glute. You're going to cross your leg over into a figure 4 stretch, keeping the navel pulled in. So cross your left leg over your right leg, place your hands behind you, stomach in to support your lower back, and you're just going to roll up and down sort of where you would imagine a jean pocket would be. Right where the pocket is, you're rolling up and down. This is going to feel extremely tight. Stomach in, good, breathe through it. Keep that leg crossed, and if this is too much on your wrist, you can always go onto fists. Then you're going to switch, cross the right leg over the left knee, and you're going to roll over onto the left glute medius, right where that jean pocket would be, stomach in, and you're just going to roll up and down. Again, it's extremely painful and tight. Good, stomach in, rolling, rolling, rolling. If you feel a hot spot especially, you want to stay on there and just continue to roll. Good, and take it slow. Don't forget to breathe. Good, rolling up and down. I'm keeping my shoulder blades pulled down too. Great work. And this last exercise is also for lateral knee pain due to tight IT bands. We're going to be rolling out your quadriceps. You're going to face down on the roller perpendicular to your right thigh. I'm placing it right underneath my right hip, and I'm only rolling from the bottom of my hip to the top of the knee. And I'm rolling out my quads, not my IT band directly. You can be on your forearms or you can be on your wrists. Stomach in and really try to point the toe of that right leg and squeeze that glute. Good. Stomach in to support your lower back. You're just walking like an army crawl up and down. Now, if you want to really kind of intensify this, you can actually cross the other leg over, stomach in for added weight, and then continue to roll. I like to do that, but I'm really used to it, so just be careful. Good. Stomach in, rolling again, right underneath the hip to the top of the knee. You can place that leg back down. I'm just giving you options. Stomach in, good, on your forearms or your wrists. Good. And then we're going to switch sides. So again, placing the roller right underneath the left hip. It's not under the bone, not on the bone, but just right under it. And then you can bend that right leg out to the side. I'm on my forearms here, pointing the toes of my left leg. Good. Readjust if you need to. And roll. Stomach in again, rolling out the quad.
Good. Up and down. I'm just adding that extra weight as an option. Good. But make sure your back is supported by keeping your navel pulled in and your glutes squeezing, especially if you choose to cross one leg over the other. Again, this is crazy intense, guys, so be careful with this one. Good. Stomach in on the forearms and rest. Great work, guys. Yay!